My father founded Heina Ltd in late 80s. In the early days, we were primarily a traditional metal workshop. Gradually, the industry became my passion. In the late 90s, we started developing drop testing devices. Therefore, we provided it to local mobile phone industry. We boldly embarked on developing innovative CE-approved testing equipment. I see the significance of the new N-series drop testing device as important for the electronic industry. The device enables remote monitoring of the testing, which in turn reduces need for employees to travel. Our devices are intended for, among other things, mobile phone and component testing. In pharmaceutical industry, our products are used by drug delivery system and hearing aid manufacturers, for example. We constantly improve our operations and products. Innovation is part of our company's DNA. Technically, we are market leader in the industry, and others mostly imitate us. We have supplied equipment to 36 different countries so far. Our customers include nearly all leading international companies in their respective fields. In Salo, we have 50,000 residents, and our products affect millions, if not billions, people around the world. It is highly possible that the drop resistance of the smartphone you carry in your pocket has been tested with our device. Innovations in our products development comes from everyday life. With the help of innovations from everyday life, we are able to develop products that extend the life cycle of electronics and make industry more sustainable. The fundamental idea has always been, since my father's time, to provide our customers with excellent personal service and long-term partnership. We provide comprehensive service from product manufacturing to installation and training. We have also invested in reducing emissions from our business and have thus achieved a decrease in our carbon footprint.